Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn about Google Drawing and creating an artwork that I'm calling positive negative. And the way we're going to do that is you're first going to open up a tab at the top of your screen. Once you open the tab, you're going to go to your waffle, your Google waffle. Click on the waffle, then click on Drive. Once you get to your drive, you're going to go to New, click on New, slide your cursor down till you get to More, and slide it straight over and click on Google Drawing. This will open up a new page for you. Then you're going to go to the top of the drawing and you're going to click on Untitled Drawing and you're going to give it a name. I called mine COVID for a negative word, and then my positive word was creativity. Then you're going to start drawing, and the way you're going to do that is using just the polyline tool. While you're doing your artwork, I want you to think of ways that you can make a negative into a positive and just start creating. When you use a polyline tool, you have to keep clicking your mouse, and as soon as you get to this point, you have a shape which can then be filled in. Then you can go to another area and just start creating your shapes. Any kind of shape is acceptable, whatever you feel like making. The polyline tool is really cool because it allows you to do pretty much whatever you want, and then you end up with a really cool shape. Once you make your shapes, you can go up and color them in. I'm going to make mine gradient because I just really like gradient colors. So I'm going to go to Custom, and then I'm going to make my gradient colors. If you want to do a rainbow, you can start with whatever color you want. If it's a rainbow, I would start with red because that's the beginning of the rainbow. And then I would go to the end and put in purple. That's the end of the rainbow. And then you could add tabs in between, right? So red, the next color would be orange. And after that, it would be yellow. And just keep adding tabs until you get all the colors. Green. And then the last one would be blue. And then you can adjust your colors however you want by pulling on the tabs. And then you could also make it linear, which means it goes across, or you can make it radial. Okay, and then you can adjust from there as well. I'm going to make mine linear. And then you press OK, and there's your color. So that when you create colors, it saves them, and then you can reuse them in other spots. I would probably make a different color in each one. Once you're done making all your colors, you're going to put two fingers together, put them on your touchpad, and then press. When you do that, it's like right-clicking. You can also right-click on your mouse, on your background. Oh, I still have my polyline tool. Okay, this is a good thing to learn, actually. I just created another one. It's important that you remember to turn off your polyline tool. Go to Select, and then you can create your background. You have to have your select tool on to do your background. So then I'm going to create my background, and you can make that whatever color you want. If you pick one color and you don't like it, go back, pick another color, go back, pick another color, whatever you feel like, whatever you think looks best. That's the awesome thing about creating on a computer. You can make it whatever you want. So now I'm going to go in and show you the one that I finished. And this is my finished project. I couldn't decide on my background, but I really like the black, so I stuck with that. So this is Mrs. Cooper's, COVID, which is my negative word, creativity, which is my positive word, and I have this is what we would call positive space, and then the background is our negative space, positive, negative. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoy this project. Please let me know if you have any questions.